Hi, today we are going to a new zoo in Poznań. So it's quite big, but I hear it's very famous from the elephants expositions or the elephants place. One of my friends, he worked in that elephants exhibition, and I remember he called me many times and he talked about this wonderful elephants he was watching over. So maybe we will be able to see those famous elephants exhibition. Do you know that Alfred worked for the elephant exhibitions at night?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was watching them at night, and sometimes he called me, and
You've been here before?
We've been here before when we found the marijuana.
Oh, that.
Yeah, yeah. Long time ago, in 1990. That's about 25 years ago. We visited this zoo and we found marijuana plants growing everywhere. And I guess nobody knows that time how marijuana plants looks like, I guess. And maybe someone plant them, or maybe birds was carrying the seeds. And when I'm gonna find out where that picture is hidden, me with Verna holding the marijuana plants right here in this zoo. So let's go look for marijuana plants. I don't think so today. The fall is in full swing. I guess in about, I would say, maybe a few weeks, all the leaves is gonna go down and the trees is gonna go to sleep, and we'll wake up probably in April. Oh, I see the zoo. By the way, I used to work in this zoo when I was a teenager for a whole month to save enough money for vacation for the second month. So I worked 1 month, and the money I made I spent on my vacation at the Baltic Sea in Krynica Morska. Yeah, that was a good days. That was fun. That was really fun. This says here, the entrance right over there. This says welcome to the zoo, and we're gonna buy tickets there. Oh, I see the entrance. Yeah. So we're gonna take a bus from here, bus number 184, and on Saturday is leaving every hour, 15 minutes past every hour. So let's see, now is, so we might take 1:15 or 2:15 bus going back. And the bus is 184. Number 184. Okay. Dzień dobry pani.
Dobry.
2 bilety. A my mamy zniżkę, jak mamy ponad 65 lat. Mi żona, dobrze.
Półnowy bilet.
No, super.
70 zł.
70 zł, dobrze. Teraz tutaj wezmę. Już teraz?
Tak, bardzo proszę.
Dobrze.
Drukować potwierdzenie?
Nie, dziękuję pani, dziękuję ślicznie. Już można wyjąć? A tam jest jakaś kawiarnia, kawę, żeby wypić czy coś? Czy raczej zamknięte dzisiaj w środku w zoo?
Powinien być ten bar miś tutaj po lewej stronie.
O tutaj.
O, no.
To tutaj przy wejściu zaraz, tak?
Tak.
A tak, dobrze.
Podpisze pan to jeszcze tylko?
Ojej, ja, oczywiście, tak. A ubikacje najbliższe tu są?
Za bramkami w prawo.
Za bramkami w prawo, super.
Później to tam już pan wie, słoniarnia, żyrafiarnia.
Wie pani, ja byłem tutaj w 90 roku.
No to się trochę...
A tutaj pracowałem jak byłem studentem. Miesiąc, żeby na wakacje zarobić. Ale to było w latach 70.
No to się trochę zmieniło.
No tak.
Pana bilet?
O, bilety. O, dobrze, dziękuję. Werna, let's go. Ja. Here is your airline ticket.
What do I
Because you have to scan it, and the bathroom is to the left. I have to go to the. The bathroom is to the, just behind here. So.
Where do I stand?
Yeah, and this way up.
Under the light?
Yeah.
Gee, your hands are...
I know. I forgot the gloves. All right, let's go. Oh, I have to go to the bathroom. So this is the map. We are right here. I think so, somewhere here. And we want to go to see the elephants over there. So, no, okay. I guess. All right.
I want to go use the restroom.
Yeah, this is a light. Turn the light on, because otherwise you're gonna be pee in the darkness.
Where's the switch? Right by the
Okay,
door?
let me show you. So the zoo is kind of empty right now. I don't see any animals so far, but it's nice. It's a nice yellow leaves.
Sounds like busy. Busy before
And, this is a nice kind of playground for the kids. It's kind of interesting. There's some birds there. I don't know if they're not cold, because I guess they are from a warm climate. Are you guys cold? No? Okay. There is some
Can you walk in one straight?
deers
You've left.
and this is to not feed them. There is some peacocks roaming free. This is a cafe teddy bear. Let's go see if we can have coffee down there. I see lights on, so probably it's open. Let's go check it out. Okay, it says we open. Dzień dobry. Czy ma pani kawę tutaj? O, super. You want coffee or tea? Coffee? Aha. Dzień dobry. Czy może dwie kawy americano ma pani? To dwa duże americano poproszę. I to by było wszystko. Mhm. Kartą, tak. Aha. You wanna sit outside? So quiet here, so quiet. Nice, don't you think? The fall is quite beautiful here. Some kind of noise, but I don't know what that is. Humans or animals? So this is Rish, some kind of like a mountain lion, European mountain lion.
This is from China?
He's right there, but I don't know if you guys can see him. Oh, he's stand up right now and stretch. Okay, okay. Beautiful cat. Looks like the whole zoo is for only me and Verna. I didn't see much visitors here. And it's Saturday. I was expecting more people, but I guess this is not the time of the year for people to come to the zoo. But I do enjoy this quietness. It's cool. This is yeah, that's what the animals lives in the forest like that. All this.
These are all natural species here.
Correct. Yes. And this one is my grandmother's favorite flowers. Convallia. Those are very early flowers. They blooming very early, just shortly after the winter. They're very popular in May. You can see them in the flower shops everywhere.
What they do with this leaf?
That's the noise. That's you guys make that sound.
You hungry?
Hi.
It's a crane. White. Nape.
Wow, you are loud.
Nape crane. hungry? You want to eat fish?
That's the cranes. Yes. What do you want to say? El Polaco in Cali, yes.
The
Best YouTube channel, yes.
so loud.
Yes, yes, yes. You wanna come in, yeah? It looks like you wanna come over here. Yes.
The one that's in the glass, I think so.
In the glass. This is the birds, and those are those lakes over there. Those are two lakes.
I'm looking for you when you walk over there, you saw some glass.
Oh, I think.
Behind the,
Oh.
behind the sea eagles.
They have a big nest over there. Oh. There's another one over there. Right there.
The bigger one?
Yeah.
Are these American eagles?
This one is. They live in. That's a bald eagle. Yeah, that's a bald eagle. And this one is vultures. Wow. So what I just read, that all those wild birds, those eagles and also the owls, are the rescued birds which been rescued and they are not able to be released into a wild. So I guess the only way for them to survive is right here in those cages. Yeah, hard choice, but so they are, they are in the hospital now for life, I guess, or maybe if they get better, they will be released into a wild, I hope. Look at these guys. Oh, that's very good.
What's a meerkat?
Lunchtime.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're vegans?
Yeah, they're all vegans, I guess.
It doesn't look like they want to eat them.
Oh.
The one is kind of picky.
Okay, that was a feeding time.
Tomatoes.
Look at that beautiful yellow leaves. How wonderful, colorful is this? So we are in the elephant place. I don't know who the elephants are, but let me see. Okay, maybe here. Oh, they are there. quite a big space right there. All right. I have to go and find Verna. Where is Verna now? I was looking for a bathroom and finally I found one. This is the elephant exposition. So yeah, let's go take a walk and hopefully I will find Verna very soon. She's probably worried about me because I'm wander quite a bit far away from her. This is tiger expositions, but it's kind of cold today, so they're probably sitting in a warm place. Yeah, okay, cześć. Yeah. Cześć. No, sympatyczni ludzie tutaj w Poznaniu. Very friendly people in Poznań. Oh. Yes, I found it. It's where the elephants are. Yeah. I was panicking. I thought I'm not gonna be able to hold it. You wanna see the elephants? Huh? You wanna see the elephant place? No? Okay.
Yeah, no, you can just be in
No.
You have to take the shot?
No. No. We just drink all those coffees. And it's kind of cold.
I came down and the phone doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, but it's very nice. You wanna check it out? It's just right on the corner.
And then what? You have to come back?
Yeah.
And my feet is fine.
Oh, okay, let's go. Okay, but you know, I remember we are making this one much even. They give us the shovels and we're working on this side. And
What kind of birds are there?
which one?
Island.
Oh, I don't know. Looks like cranes. The family of those cranes which are in our area. Lots of birds here. A swan. I know, there's so many birds on that island, yeah. So, you guys see? I found the pictures that was taken right here in the same zoo. That's what we found it. And it was like growing wild everywhere. Okay, let's go find the exit. Okay, we are right here. And exit is right here. So, yep. Look at this. Beautiful. And one is right there on the tree. Hi. Hey. Okay. Never mind. Okay, so that was a very short video and a very short walk inside the new zoo in Poznań, we probably maybe walk 25% of this huge zoo, and wow, you probably need the whole day to be able walk every single part and see all those exposition. So here we go. Next time, maybe during a summertime when it's nice and warm, we're gonna come over here early, maybe around 10 a.m. and probably gonna take us maybe to 3 p.m. to slowly experience this beautiful place. And how much it cost for a senior citizens, as me, I'm a senior already, gosh, is 35 zloty, so it's around $10. And I believe so for adult, the entry fee is around $15. So there you go. If you wonder how much it cost to enter this place. All right, but there is a lot of places for free, so if you don't want to spend, you're on a tight budget, well, what I can say. But yes, I do recommend. This time of the year is because of this beauty of yellow and green. This way, honey, this way.